Come on, let's go. Come. Oh yeah, I knew it would be a little bit muddy. I knew it would be a little bit muddy. But we brought a towel.
Come on, Reese. Let's go. Come on. Get out front. Come on. Come on. Let's go. This way. Come on. Let's go.
So they go in ahead. The puppy is loose. And Bruno needs a little bit of sniff time. Come on, let's go. Sniff and scratch time. Yeah, that's a little bit higher than the other one. Good boy. Good boy, come on. Good boy, JJ. And they're all loose now. Huh? All loosey-goosey. Come on, let's go. Huh? And of course, yeah, we knew Rooney would be the first one in the water. Here comes JJ. Bruno, not so much. What you doing? What you doing over there? It's a lot of water. It's been raining a lot. And a little snow is lots of water. I can never catch you, little boys. Uh-oh. This way, here. Come back to the pug snakes. Good boys. Good boys. Yes, I have to get the pug snakes out first. Here they are. Here they are, pug snakes. Got a sticky. I got a sticky. Yeah, you shouldn't be chewing on stickies. You can carry it around, but no chewing. No chewing on stickies. You're going to take that sticky with you, huh? The mama is coming. It's okay. Come on, let's go back in the car. Come on, let's go back in the car. I'm coming. I'm coming. Come on.